What is Reactive Strength Index-modified, RSI-mod? Have you ever wondered how athletes measure their explosive strength? One key metric they use is the Reactive Strength Index-modified. This measure helps coaches and sports professionals evaluate an athlete's performance during explosive movements. So, what exactly is Reactive Strength Index-modified? Reactive Strength Index-modified is a specific calculation that assesses an athlete's lower body explosive strength. It is determined by dividing the height of a counter-movement jump by the time it takes to take off from the ground. In simpler terms, it shows how high an athlete can jump relative to how quickly they can generate force before leaving the ground. This metric combines two essential elements of explosive performance: jump height and contraction time. The contraction time begins when the athlete starts their movement and ends when they leave the ground. By looking at both factors, Reactive Strength Index-modified gives a clear picture of an athlete's ability to produce force quickly and efficiently. From a career standpoint in sports strength and conditioning, this measure is beneficial because it reflects an athlete's reactive strength. Reactive strength is the ability to quickly transition from an eccentric muscle action, like landing, to a concentric muscle action, like jumping. This transition is vital in many sports activities such as sprinting, changing direction, and performing plyometric exercises. Typically, Reactive Strength Index-modified is measured using force plates during a counter-movement jump test. These devices accurately record ground reaction forces and timing. The data collected helps coaches and sports scientists monitor an athlete's neuromuscular fatigue, training progress, and readiness to perform. For example, changes in Reactive Strength Index-modified can indicate fatigue or improvements in explosive power, allowing for necessary adjustments in training. In practical terms, Reactive Strength Index-modified assists strength and conditioning professionals in several ways. It helps evaluate lower body explosiveness and reactive strength in athletes. It also tracks fitness and fatigue levels over time, allowing for tailored training programs aimed at improving rapid force production and jump performance. Additionally, it can identify potential injury risks related to poor reactive strength or inefficient movement strategies. It is important to remember that Reactive Strength Index-modified values can vary between athletes. Factors such as sex, sport, and level of competition can influence these values, reflecting physiological differences in strength and rate of force development. Overall, Reactive Strength Index-modified is a reliable measure of lower body explosive performance. It combines jump height and time to take off to assess an athlete's reactive strength. This tool is essential in strength and conditioning careers for monitoring athlete performance, guiding training, and optimizing sport-specific explosive abilities.